I really don't know what to do for this episode of the Decoration Zone. I'm running out of ideas. All I have right now is a Joey cut in Strip Flock Pro fluorescent color. What goes along with this?
This is kangaroo court.
All right, we have our project for the Decoration Zone. This is gonna be a quick video. We're gonna do an application on this awesome backpack that we got from our friends at Sanmar. Thank you guys. Now, this is a unique project because you can definitely decorate in these areas, but obviously things we're gonna look out for today is this zipper in the center here. Our design is made so that it can be applied on both the top and bottom sections. I already have the inside of the backpack set with the heat press pillows because we're going to be using this heat press to apply. I'm also going to attempt to apply directly on the shoulder strap right here so we can completely deck this out. But again, be a little bit cautious about the plastic straps. Any plastic zippers, those will melt under the high heat. So definitely make sure where you're applying and if that's okay. So we have 5 different colors of Siser Strip Flock Pro and Brick 600. So we're gonna be applying all of this on this backpack today. First thing I'm gonna do is set my heat press up. I am at 315 degrees. I'm gonna try and thread the straps around the lower platen. Again, get as much of any uneven areas as possible off of the heat press, anywhere that might potentially melt. Again, the heat press pillows are going to allow me to have the area I want to be pressing on rise above all the other seams and the zippers. Now, I already know that this is extremely thick, so I am not gonna be able to completely close my heat press. So also be a little cautious. If you are using a heat press, this may be a perfect opportunity to showcase that. But here, I'm gonna just hold my press down as we go along. So I'm gonna start with the first layer and line it up. Again, try to get as much even area as possible. This may take a couple applications, that's okay. I'm gonna use a cover sheet and apply it with as much even pressure. I'm gonna hold this down for about 10 to 15 seconds for strip flock. Peel warm. Yes. All right, let's cruise along. We're gonna go to the second color, which is gonna go on the outside. Do the same thing. And if you are doing it this way, make sure that you are applying a little pressure. This is not recommended when you are applying on things that are going to be washed, because you wanna make sure you have even pressure. All right. We're gonna do 2 colors at once. Peel warm. All right, so that is 4 Strip Flock Pro colors nailed down on this. We have one more, which is our Brick 600, which is our thickest heat transfer vinyl. We're gonna add this to add some dimension into our kangaroo. And then we are going to apply this for about 20 seconds. You wanna make sure that you do have a solid 20 seconds on Brick 600, especially since you're not able to apply on the inside of this project. Okay, now Brick 600 is a cold peel, but since this is our last, I'm gonna take this off the press and bump it up against my table. Give that a few seconds. Yes. Look at how awesome that is. Check that out. Adds a lot of dimension, the color's vibrant, and of course I have to add the last important piece we're gonna go right onto the shoulder strap of this backpack. So I need to make sure that I adjust my pressure. Now I'm only gonna put the area I want on the strap on my heat press the best I can. Again, if you're using a home iron, this is a perfect opportunity to really use that instead, because you can target right in the area you're pressing. But if not, we can use the heat press, of course. You just gotta get crafty in the placement. And we're gonna press this for 15 seconds. Okay, with Siser fluorescent strip lock colors, they are a cold peel though, so make sure you give it a couple seconds before you peel that carrier. And there you have it. That's right, folks. I just decorated a backpack. That is all it takes. You guys saw it. To decorate a backpack, any other kind of carrier like this, just some heat transfer vinyl, a heat press or home iron, fast application. Now I'm decked out. Back to school time is probably around the corner depending on when you're watching this. Thank you so much for watching this episode of the Decoration Zone. I'm Joe with Siser North America. If you're looking to get your hands on any of these products we showed today, if you want to see more videos like this, make sure you hit that subscribe button, hit that thumbs up if you like this video, leave any comments or questions in the comment section below, and feel free to contact your authorized Siser distributor, authorized Siser reseller if you're looking for any Siser products. If you don't have one of those, contact us at info@siserna.com. Again, thank you all so much for watching. We're going to be back very soon with an awesome project like this.